thanks for joining me. Final week, final push of January. This is my weekly update of my trading journey thus far, my trading journal. And if you're joining me for the first time, a warm welcome. Do consider subscribing if you would like to follow along. I do show my thoughts, my insights, and how I am approaching my trading, where I have started implementing EA trading this year. So I am still figuring it out in terms of risk management and so forth, and adjustments that I'm making, and overall my trading experience thus far, my goals that I've set for myself, where I am in terms of achieving them. And the first month out of the gate was a drawdown month for me for the account, and this is me being totally transparent in terms of trading and what you can realistically expect. And I put in a small amount into the account to cater for the guy that does not have a lot of startup capital, to realistically show what can and can't be achieved even with a bot. Now that being said, a bot, there's different bots out there, there's different EAs out there. So my experience, my results may not be the same for different bot trading. You get scalping bots out there that trade different markets, and mine is more from an hour perspective, and it's also a trend following bot, and I let the bot trade solely. I haven't taken a single trade on the account, so it's quite cool to see how the bot is trying to manage and navigate the market. So if you would like to follow along, if you're interested in seeing how the performance is going, do turn on the bell notification for my next upload. And a warm welcome back to my returning viewers. Thank you for my subscribers, thank you for your support, and I hope I can be as open and transparent with the new subscribers and the guys who's been following me for the time. There are some things that I would like to implement this year going forward, and I would like to have you with me alongside the journey to share my thoughts, my experiences, the ups and downs, and being totally transparent with you. So the month ended in drawdown, which I'm going to be showing in a few minutes. So I wasn't upping the risk, but there are adjustments that I'm going to be making. Namely, I will be lowering my take profit amount, right? Because it is a small account, let's be frank, it's a small account. And what I've decided is, if there's one trade open, what I will be doing, I will be banking at $5 or as close to $5 as I can. If there's two trades open, then I'm going to be aiming for $10, right? So the idea is that I don't give back my profits that the bot is making, because believe it or not, there were times that the bot was hovering between $5 and $10, right? But because I was a bit strict in terms of the take profit that I've set for myself that I would like to achieve on any given trade, I would end up either taking a small profit when the stop loss goes into position, because it's an automated stop loss management system that's also being utilized by the bot. So as the market is trending, the stop loss moves into position, and what I would find is the bot would also take smaller profits because of the stop loss being hit. This after being in profit for more than $5, right? So it was a bit, I would say it was a bit, what is the word? What word can I use? It wasn't nice to see. It was very unpleasant, and I was also regretting not closing trades at times manually, because I was relying on the automatic stop loss adjustment by the bot. So I've decided to do that for now, to try and get my way back to break even on the account. And at the speak, referring to the account balance, it's currently on 127.20. So there was some recovery towards the end of the month. At the time of this recording, there was no trades taken. And yeah, we're already in the first week of February, which I will be updating next week. So let me show you what happened on the charts and the account history in terms of the trades, just to in the month of the in the month's trading. And yeah, let me show you just how it went. All right, so let's hop on over to the charts. Right, here we go. Just a few details I want to point out. Top left hand corner, XM Global Real account, Omega Trend that I'm trading. You can see my details reflecting to show that it's a live account. Risk parameters, zone recovery, and you can see trading lots that it's being utilized. Signal 1 only, signal 2 has been disabled. First trade that I'm looking at is GBP USD, and there was a sell taken today. I'm getting back to the other one shortly, but there was a sell today on Friday. On Monday, the market gapped down, and I'm assuming it gapped on a few pairs because on Euro JPY it also gapped. So there was a gap, the gap was full, there was a buy signal triggered, and I closed this one manually as the market was going up. So I did not take this trade towards the high before the market sold off again. But profits are profits nonetheless, whether they are small or big, right? And that is the one. These were only 2 trades taken on this currency pair. On Euro JPY, you can see there was a gap on Monday as well. There was a sell, right? But you can see that sell was also closed. Reason being the stop loss was managed by the bot and it was moved into position, however with a small profit. And sadly to say that as the market was selling off, no other trades were taken. Even though it was a nice trending move, no trades were taken by the bot, right? Let's have a look at the account history for a few minutes. And for some reason it's only showing the month of February, so I'm guessing this thing only updates on a monthly basis. So if you know how to get January to reflect, please leave a comment down below so I can be transparent with those trades and show it in the account history. If it's only going to be on February, then we'll see those trades going forward for the month of February, right? You can see there's the recovery for the week, $10.28. And those were the only trades taken thus far for the week, believe it or not. Overall, the account is down only like under $20. You can see it's 131.98. So overall, nice recovery. As the account started with 150 in the month of December. I think the last week of December I started the bot, right? So those were the trades taken thus far for the month. And on the top right hand corner you can see there is a frown currently, which means I've disabled the bot. Reason being, I did not want to have anything trade over the weekend to avoid swap fees, because it was late in the New York session as well. I did not want to take any trades and keep it, right? If there was a trade open, I was going to hold, but since I've taken profits, I thought just disable it for now, and then I can enable it on Monday again. And those are the trades that were taken for the month, and I look forward to updating you guys as the month progresses. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Do turn on the bell notification for the next upload. Thanks for joining me, and I will see you guys on the next one. Cheers for now.